Unfortunately, the moment a police officer learns that you have a firearm, in almost any court in anywhere in this country, they are allowed to legally justify under the guise of officer safety that they can now ask you to step out of the car and seize the firearm. In fact, the United States Supreme Court said in the case United States versus Robinson, and I quote, "Persons who are armed, whether legally or illegally, pose yet a greater safety risk to police officers." The court then went on to justify that officers are allowed to detain people under this situation based upon officer safety. However, what about cops now extending the time of the traffic stop investigation in order to be able to run the serial number on the weapon? This is where you want to fight this issue. In the Supreme Court case of Rodriguez versus United States, the Supreme Court very clearly articulated that police officers cannot extend the time of a traffic stop beyond the time necessary for the original reason of the stop. The court ruled that extending a traffic stop without reasonable suspicion of another crime having taken place now constitutes an unreasonable search and seizure.